and gentlemen, I am honored and delighted to be a part of World Speech Day event and to be in front of you all. It is wonderful to be here to hear from all extraordinary speakers of this occasion. Before I go on, let me introduce myself. I am Aisha Siddiqa Sheli, Additional Commissioner of Taxes at the National Board of Revenue in Bangladesh. I am also a former diplomat having served as Counselor Labour at the Bangladesh High Commission in Singapore from 2014 to 2019. I am also the founder and chief advisor of the Blue Sky Charitable Foundation, a non-profit organization working on breast cancer awareness and activism in Bangladesh. My Rotary journey started with Rotary E Club of 3310 in Singapore, and I am currently the president of Rotary Club of Aroma Dhaka. My professional and organizational work has often involved working with women's welfare in Bangladesh. We recently celebrated International Women's Day on March 8. This is why today I want to speak to you all about the status of women in Bangladesh and how we need to strive towards creating an equal world for all genders. Women in Bangladesh are oppressed in different ways. This tradition has been going on for thousands of years. Even with the passage of time and the realization of significant progress in women's rights around the world, the scope and variety of oppression on women are so great that it should be termed as crimes against women instead of calling it oppression against women or attack on women. Men engage in exploitation and dominance over women by inflicting both mental, physical, and financial oppression on them. For this reason, women all over the country continue to be confined within the boundaries of four walls, deprived of the opportunity to thrive and flourish in their lives. In Bangladesh, women have significantly lower economic participation and women's labor receive little to no wages for equal work. They are deprived of proper education, healthcare services, as well as power and decision-making capabilities in their lives and within their families because of extreme patriarchal domination and religious superstitions. Early and forced marriages of young girls and women remain a major problem in Bangladesh, a dangerous and harmful practice that denies millions of women the chance to exercise agency and control over their lives and well-being. Despite the advances in legal system and socio-cultural changes, women of this country fall victim to harassment and torture. Physical torture, partner abuse, rape, fatwa, acid throwing, and different types of sexual harassment and blackmailing are some of the instruments through which society and culture have always kept women under patriarchal domination. The intensity of oppression on women is far greater in impoverished rural areas than among urban educated women. Many incidents do not come to light for the threat of retaliation or for the fear of losing family status and prestige, although there are strict laws and warnings from lawmakers and the government. There is still a long way to go before we can create a fair, safe, and equal world for women in Bangladesh. It has been said that an equal world is an enabled world. But how can we create a world that is truly equal for all? We can do so by identifying and raising awareness against bias. We have to actively challenge and call our gender bias and inequality. We have to continue pushing and striving towards equality by investing in women's education, health, workplace participation, and safety, along with all other areas of policy and public sector. But our attitudes and culture have to change as well. We need to create a culture which does not see women as the other, as objects that can be dominated and exploited, but rather as full, complicated, equal, and valuable human beings who are worthy of dignity, respect, and opportunity as they make their way into this world. Only then we can create an inclusive world for women and girls in Bangladesh and beyond. Thank you all.